If you're a life insurance agent watching this, then I want to have a quick conversation with you as I rollerblade through my local park on this beautiful Tuesday night. And I want to talk about how cliche and how hard it's become to generate real opportunities, real leads, and real sales using the internet. And I get it. I understand it better than most, actually, because I've been in the insurance space since 2005, two-time scratch agency owner. I understand how hard it could be to actually have a real pipeline of real people with real money that want to talk to you. And so I want to talk about how we've been able to do that more over than once in our agency and how it can actually help you. The industry has made getting qualified leads, booked appointments, people who actually want to talk to you, business owners, decision makers, we've made that hard. And don't get me wrong, it is kind of a challenge, it can be, but it's not as hard as we've made it for sure. Now, as someone who's been in the space for the number of years, check out this guy. High five, buddy. High five. Boom! Someone who's been in this space now for a number of years, I can tell you the way that I've been able to build my two scratch agencies in the last 7 years has been with online lead generation. I've been on the captive side and I've been on the independent side. And I can tell you that this method that I use to fill my pipeline with booked appointments, qualified leads, and decision makers, people who want to possibly give me money, works. And you're saying, well, yeah, it's Facebook ads. This is a Facebook ad, or you want to sell us a course on Facebook advertising. The answer is no. Unlike other agents who maybe had success, with Facebook ads, that's not what this is about. You see, I use YouTube. And I use YouTube to get in front of the people who are likely to buy, who are researching and wanting more information on a particular topic. And now there's somebody watching this video and you're thinking, why would you get onto Facebook and why would you want to talk about a YouTube ad? That sounds really strange. Well, let's forget for the second that I'm going to run this on YouTube too. But let's just talk about the fact that YouTube is a perfect place to find B2B business owners for your insurance agency, because you can get in front of the audience that is actively searching for. In fact, what we teach in our program for Major League Video Marketing, you get it now. What we teach in Major League Video Marketing is how to use YouTube to generate booked appointments and how to close actual sales, because you're able to leverage the power of Google to get in front of people based on what they're searching for. And this is huge. Now, I could go on and you can watch me rollerblade for the next 10 minutes and I can break down the algorithm and everything else, but that's boring. So let's do this as I'm really out of breath because I'm really out of shape. Let's do this. Somewhere on this page, somewhere on this ad is a button for you to click on. I want you to click on this button and I want you to schedule a call with me or my team. And they're thinking, well, Nick, you're just gonna try to sell me your program? No. What actually I'd like to do for you is I'd like to show you. I'd like to do the market research for you. If you're in the insurance vertical, whatever vertical you want to target, it doesn't matter. I will show you just how many people you can possibly get in front of with your YouTube ads based on the things that they're searching for, based on the audience that they're in, based on who they are. There's nobody that knows you better than Google. Google owns the internet. And while other platforms are awesome, they are. If you're not leveraging the power of Google ads and YouTube ads in your business, I don't know what to tell you. So do yourself a favor as I huff and puff, click on the link somewhere that's on this page and schedule a call with my team. Do it as soon as you possibly can, because you are gonna want to know how you can leverage YouTube to generate real booked appointments with real business owners, real people of influence, and people with real money. So schedule a call, talk with my team, get your free market research assessment that we're going to give you on the call, and you can go from there. Look forward to talking with you.